Hey friends, hey y'all, I'm CoCoDenise, and guys, I just got off of work and I got my new purse in, my new UGG purse in. So I had to come on here and do an unboxing. The name of the purse is Janey 2 UGG, and I paid $150 for it, and we're gonna unbox it together, okay? Time for an unboxing. This is all you get. It's just in a box. No frills, no ruffles, no anything in addition. Alrighty. Why is it not focusing? Tissue paper. Look, she is so cute. Wear it your way. It just shows you the different ways. So you can wear this one crossbody, you can do belt bag, or you can do over across your chest. So you can wear it either way. Oh, this is so cute. Y'all, it's really cute in person, okay? Alright, okay, so I do have a dust bag. It's all folded up. It says UGG. Okay. And then you have your strap. No receipt or anything was in this bag. This is cute. There are no feet on it, so you can't really sit it down because it's gonna get dirty, but it's, I mean, I wear my crossbodies pretty much all day. I never really take them off. And here's the bag. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish taking everything off. So if I want to do the crossbody, I just stick it through here. I just stick it through here. It's big enough. Yeah, and then you stick it through that one also. That's cute. This is gonna be super cute. I feel like I need the black one now to go with my black Uggs. Did I show y'all the inside? Okay, is the inside cute? Let's see what fits inside the bag. I'm just gonna take everything out of my toy Lulu because this is what I carry every day. So I'm gonna take everything out and I'm gonna put it in my UGG bag. So of course I have a cell phone, I have a hand sanitizer, I have a pad, I have a card holder, I have my keys, I have a pen and 2 lip gloss, a receipt, throat medicine stuff, more Blistex. Alright, so that's everything I have in there. And of course this stuff is gonna fit. Alright, so card holder, I'll put there, hand sanitizer, lips, pen, keys, pad, might put the pad back here too. Receipt, more lip stuff, phone. I have my glasses holder that'll fit in there. That's everything That's pretty much everything that I carry on a daily. The only other thing I would put in here, but it's not gonna fit, is a water bottle. As you see, it will not fit. I wonder if I put that in first. I'm gonna see if it'll fit if I put it in first and make sure we can zip this up. Look at this, y'all. This is so cute. Sarita is calling me. I'm gonna have to ignore you, boo. All right, so let me take everything out. I just want to see if this water bottle will fit in there. Okay, if you do some maneuvering and just have a few things, the water bottle will fit in here. Oh, actually, if you stretch it out like that and put the water bottle at the bottom, it will fit. Yay! I'm always so excited. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks crossbody and as a belt bag. So, crossbody. She is cute. I think I'm gonna have to get the black one. Isn't it cute? Oh, this is so cute. And it's like a camera bag. This is so cute for the winter time. I wonder if y'all can really see how cute this bag is. Especially if you already have the chestnut Uggs that go with it. I can't wait to wear this. All right, so this is how it looks crossbody. And then I'm not going to adjust the strap, but this is belt bag. Look at that. Cute. And then they said you can also wear it like this, which is also cute. Look how cute this is. Let me grab my Uggs. I still want to see if it matches. It looks like it's going to be off some. Like it's not the same color. But 1 second, I'll be right back. Here are the two Uggs that I have. These are the mini Bailey bow. And then these, I cannot remember off the top of my head. But I do have an Ugg video that you can go back and watch. And I do tell you the name of the boot. But yeah, they match. They match. It matches. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Yeah, I mean, it's the chestnut. It's the real chestnut color. It matches. Guys, that is all I want to show you guys today. Just this new Ugg crossbody bag that I got. And I love it so far. I mean, I can't tell you I love it 100%, but I think I do. Because it's a crossbody, it's soft, it matches. So I'm gonna be wearing this all winter. All winter long! If you haven't already and you enjoyed my content, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Come on, subscribe to my channel. Seriously, why aren't you subscribing to my channel? I really want to know. Comment down below. And I'll see you next time.